so hello momsies, popsies, and of course mga KaGuro and to all the students out there. Hello, hello, hello. So for today's video, I'm going to show you and to share to you about paano po i-save ang ating file galing po ng Microsoft Word at i-convert po natin into PDF file. So dito po tayo sa aking folder. So since I'm done with our learning delivery modalities course with my lockmates, lead by Ma'am Nemfa Bali. So naka-print na po ang iyong lingkod. So again, so dito po tayo sa ating folder. So example, I'm going to save my file in PDF. So, okay, open ko lang po ang aking LDM to Module 1. Okay. So, sa nakikita po ninyo na nakasave po siya sa Microsoft Word. And yung Microsoft Word Office ko po is 2019. Okay. Now, since nandito na po tayo sa ating file na nasa Microsoft Word, okay. So, what you are going to do now is to click this side. Ito po, click nyo po yung file. Okay. Pag click nyo po yung file, ito po ang lalabas. So again, you are going to save as into PDF file. So you are going to click next, the save as. Okay. So here, so saan nyo gusto i-save yung PDF file ninyo? So example, para mas madali nyong makita, isi-save ko po siya sa desktop. Okay. Okay. Now here, look at the save as type. So ito po ang nakalagay, Word. So document type. So dito po, yan, click nyo lang po ito para mag-drag down po ang anong gusto nyo i-save. Since isi-save natin yung PDF, so yan po, i-click nyo lang po itong PDF. Ayan, so ito po, naiba na po ang kanyang save as type. So next is super easy. Click Save. Okay, naka-PDF file na po siya. Okay, so going back para mas makita natin kung nakasave ba sa desktop na naka-PDF file. Okay, close lang po natin ito. Okay, let's close it. Desktop yun, di ba? Okay, so ito na po siya. Naka-PDF file. And so ganyan lang ka-easy kung paano i-save ang convert into PDF file ang ating file na nasa Microsoft Word. So, thank you for watching. At the same time, I hope may natutunan po. And if you new to this video and to my channel, please do subscribe and like also my channel. More on classroom tutorial po tayo, especially sa ating new normal setup. So, GracyJean28 or you can search GracyJean L Tamparong po. So, thank you for watching. God bless everyone and keep safe.